update here on nat gas, gold and crude oil, starting with our favorite commodity, natural gas. So without wasting any time, what do we have here? As you can see, the price is still in the level of major support here on Owanda. I'm going to go through currency.com in a moment, and I'm going to go for MCX as well. So at this point, what do we have here? If you say this is an engulfing pattern, yes, we do have a pattern here. It's not a very strong bullish engulfer. Yes, it is an engulfing pattern and a valid minor double bottom pattern. So I'm not paying attention to this pattern at this point. I'm just looking at on 1 hour time frame. Coming back here, as you can see, we are getting a clear pattern. If you see right here, I just want to mark my rejection area quickly in front of you. So it's something like this. So this is the rejection area right here on 1 hour time frame. So at this point, the aggressive way to enter will be a pin bar, but a good way to enter the trade, it will be a red. Let's say this candle close as a red candle, and then we have a next bullish engulfer that fully engulfs the previous candle. If you have that condition, yes, we are good to take a long trade. Again, the target will be ATR and very small targets, guys. If you remember this trade we took a couple of days ago, last week, a double bottom trade that hit our take profit right here, 8 points up, and then quickly falls back down. So expect a same move here as well. Once you have a reason to enter, like a bullish engulfer, we can enter a trade something like this. Keep your stop loss below this reaction area and take profit wherever you want to take it. Use ATR for your target and try to keep your take profit below 50 EMA. So look at the condition here, not selling at this point until the price completely breaks and close below this low. If that happens, the price will likely to push down, head towards the lower level of the support area. At this point, it is 2.329, goes up to 2.505. This is a very major zone. As you can see, previously the price has dramatically pushed up from this level. I've already shown that in my last video. As you can see, this level has acted as a good level of support and resistance both. So that is why just pay attention to this double bottom pattern. Once you have reason to enter here, yes, we are good to go long and the target will be smaller. I've just explained. So right here on currency.com, we have some imbalance in the price action on this data. If we have a push down, this is the zone, the previous zone from where we can enter our long trades. So this zone below is 2.219, goes up to 2.325. This is the zone from where we can enter our long trade, a minor zone. Don't get confused here with the support area here on Owanda, because if the price pushes down here, hit this zone on Owanda, it might be a push down to a lower level. So it will be still in the support area on Owanda if the price pushes down and hit this level I've just shown. So keep an eye on entry condition. If you have a price action something like this, then mark your rejection area like this. Go back on 1 hour time frame so that you won't get confused. Wait for the price to come back down equal to the first stop and wait for a bullish reason to enter. If we have that, we are good to take long trades. For sell condition, if the price breaks and close below, we have a likely chance that price will push down from here. So not selling at this point, wait for the good reason to enter. MCX, everything is same. Just want to show you the support area here on MCX right here. Just wait for the price to come back here. If you want to enter a buy counter trades, it's 170.4, goes up to 182.3. This is a support area if we have a dramatic fall. Otherwise, the conditions are same here as well. Look for the condition. If we have a good bullish engulfer here in this rejection area, then we have a chance the price will push up and target won't be very big as just explained. So keep an eye on entry conditions. Let's check gold. Okay, right here, gold is now in the area of value. Just mark your rejection zones, something like this. Look for your entries on 1 hour time frame as well. As you can see, we might be getting an entry condition. Let's say we have a close of this candle, then yes, that would be fine. We are good to take long. Targets will be only $5 as looking at the ATR and looking at this valid double bottom pattern. So keep an eye here. I'm expecting a push up at least $5, not expecting a big push ups. Looking at the price is pushing down. It can hit your take profit and then fall again. So make sure you have your stop loss and take profit both. Let's check crude oil. Okay, right here, crude oil is pushing down at this point. I can see a bearish pressure. We have a bearish engulfer, and at this point I'm expecting a push down. Looking at this bearish engulfer, if you are learning my course, this is a valid pullback entry. Target would be $1, and if you see here, if you would have entered here, the price did push $1 right here. If you see, $1 would be your target, something like this, and if you would have entered here, that is your take profit hit. So at this point, still not, I won't be buying. The buying zone is right here below, which is 70.38, goes up to 72.02. This is a zone from where I'll be expecting some good bounce. that will be enough to take our target and enter with one of the entry condition, which is bullish, engulfers, or the double bottom entry pattern. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.